In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change accent color in ChatGPT. This is a quick customization that makes the interface feel more personal and easier to read. The accent color is the highlight you see on buttons, toggles, links, and other interface elements. Changing it won't affect how ChatGPT works, but it can improve visibility, match your preferences, or help distinguish this workspace from others you use throughout the day. Start by looking to the bottom left of your ChatGPT window. You'll see your profile icon there. This might be a small avatar or your initials. Click that profile icon to open a compact menu with a few personal options. In that menu, select Settings. This takes you to the area where you manage how ChatGPT looks and behaves. Inside Settings, go to the General section. This is where appearance-related options live. Look for the accent color setting. You'll see a small drop-down or color selector next to it. Click the drop-down to open the list of available colors. You'll typically find a selection of preset shades designed to keep text readable and the interface consistent. Now, choose the color you want. As you click through the options, you should see the interface update right away so you can preview how buttons, links, and highlights will look. There's usually no need to save. Your choice applies instantly. Once you like what you see, you can simply close settings and continue using ChatGPT with your new style. If you don't immediately notice a change, give the page a moment to refresh visually. The update is almost always instant. For the best readability, pick a color with enough contrast against your current theme, whether you're using light or dark mode. If you rely on visual cues to navigate quickly, a bolder accent can make interactive elements stand out more clearly. If the accent color option isn't visible in your general settings, it may not be available in your current interface yet. Features can roll out gradually, so keep an eye on the general section in settings if you don't see it today. That's all there is to it. Profile icon, settings, general, accent color, then pick the shade that suits you. A small tweak like this can make everyday use a bit more comfortable and visually consistent. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed ChatGPT experience.